Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make invisible buttonholes on half double crochet ribbing. This is one of my favorite techniques because it keeps your button band looking really neat even when your cardigan is unbuttoned and there are no big holes. I will be showing this on my Barry cardigan pattern, which uses half double crochet in the back loop for the ribbing. But this method could work for other types of ribbing too, so feel free to try it out on your own projects. This ribbing here is made by alternating two kinds of rows. One is worked away from the panel and the second one is worked towards the panel, and I will be showing you both versions here. And before you start, you should have already placed your buttons or stitch markers on the other button band so you know where your buttonholes will be. Alright, let's start with the row that's worked towards the panel. So first we chain 2, then work back loop only half double crochets in the first 2 stitches. And now we are going to skip 3 stitches and make 3 foundation half double crochets. First yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch where you just made your last half double crochet. Pull up a loop, you will have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through just 1 loop, this creates the first chain. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that's your first foundation half double crochet. Now let's do the second one. Yarn over and insert your hook into that chain you just made, which is the base of the first foundation half double crochet. Pull up a loop and again yarn over and pull through just 1 loop to create the chain. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook, and that's your second foundation half double crochet. And now same thing one more time for the third. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, then yarn over and pull through just 1 loop to form the chain, then yarn over and pull through everything to complete the third half double crochet. Okay, now we skip 3 stitches on the ribbing to create space for the button. And now we need to anchor this back to the ribbing, so yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain you just made and also through the back loop of the next stitch in the ribbing. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook, and that connects the foundation row back to the ribbing. And to finish, just make 1 more half double crochet in the back loop of the final stitch. And to finish this row, skip 1 space in the base, then slip stitch in next 2 stitches. Now let's do the row that's worked away from the panel. So first turn your work and skip the first 2 slip stitches, then work back loop only half double crochets into next 2 stitches. Now it's time for the buttonhole. It's exactly the same as the buttonhole before. We will make 3 foundation half double crochets right here to bridge the space for the button. Start by yarning over and inserting your hook into the stitch where you just made your last half double crochet. Pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through just 1 loop. This creates the first chain. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. For the second one, yarn over and insert your hook into that chain you just made. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through just 1 loop. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And same for the third, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 loop to form the chain, then yarn over and pull through everything to complete the third half double crochet. Now for the anchoring, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain space you just made and into the back loop only of the next stitch. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. And now finish the row with one regular half double crochet. And that's everything from me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!